Hello family, hey tastemakers, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And in today's video, we're going to do a Bath and Body Works unboxing haul and a review, okay? So, as a gift basket designer, I'm getting ready for Mother's Day. And I specialize in luxury self-care gift baskets. So I've had great success with using Bath and Body Works in my gift baskets. So when they had their sale this weekend, starting Thursday, they had like, what were these? I think these, well, I'll just tell you, I got these these are this hand soap, and they are originally like, how much are they? Do they have the price on here? Like $15 and $16 for an 8-ounce, but I got them for $3.50. And the first one I got was Endless Weekend. And I can't smell it. I'm not going to open up because when I put them in the gift basket, I keep all the original packaging, but they're fine. I used another one, and it's very rich and sudsy and emollient. Okay, and then the next one I got is Silk Toast, Champagne Toast. I'm sorry guys, excuse me, I have been shopping all day. I went to Walmart and wearing a mask, and then I don't eat a lot of times before I go, and then I'm like, oh, it's like, seems like when I wear that mask, I can't think straight. Okay, but this is Champagne Toast, and this is beautiful. A lot of my pink baskets do very well, so I like to have pink, and this is kind of, you know, everyone likes this, so I got that in the hand soap, 8 ounces. And let's see, they have the notes on here: made with vitamin E, shea extract, aloe, and natural essential oils. Leaves hands feeling soft and clean. And bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. And it's without dyes and parabens. Okay, so that's why I like these soaps as well. The Endless Weekend Gentle Gel Hand Soap. I love the packaging, and the fragrance notes are fresh summer mandarin, sun-kissed magnolia, and blue coconut water. Okay, and it's made with vitamin E, shea extract, aloe, and essential oils. Okay, so I love that one. And then I got 2 of the Kitchen Lemon. I opened this up to try it. And Kitchen Lemon, 8-ounce creamy luxe hand soap. One's for me and one's for a client. And zesty, the hand soap, the notes are zesty lemon, sparkling citrus, and Italian bergamot. It contains vitamin E, shea extract, aloe, and essential oils. Okay, so those are I think I got another one coming in another shipment. And then I got a bunch of these room sprays. And these bad boys, little bad boys, they're just like 1.5 ounce, and they normally charge like I think maybe $8 for these. I can't remember, it doesn't have the original price, but I got these were $3.50. I got the Endless Weekend. And they're very concentrated. And it has a fresh mandarin, magnolia, coconut water. And this is a White Barn, a division of Bath and Body Works. So I got that because I got this. I'm trying to create sets. So they were on sale on different days. So I got that. Just one little squirt of this. and it will eliminate any odors. I got the champagne toast, so it can go with this hand soap. And I got fresh cut lilac, $3.50 for each of these. I can't read the notes on this because it's in white. Okay, then limoncello, smells amazing. And so I got this room spray so it can go with this hand soap. So if you want to put it in your bathroom, you know, or, you know, put it in the kitchen. So you need to do one pump. Okay. And this was my first time shopping a Bath and Body Works online. I usually go inside, but it has been a few years, a couple of years since the pandemic, because all of my cleaning clients, a lot of them were young moms, and they loved Bath and Body Works. So when I would clean their homes, you know, I would see when they were out, and if it was close to Mother's Day or something, I would just go on and pick them up one and pick up whatever they were out of. And so that was just, you know, you become more than just you know, a cleaner sometimes. It's more, you know, everything's not totally transactional when you're a cleaning person. You know, I had these clients for 5 years, and, you know, we're friends and we'll talk, and they do the same thing with me. It's like, you know, on my birthday or Christmas or something, you know, they'll give me a good tip and they'll add my favorite Bath and Body Works stuff. But since I stopped my cleaning business because of the pandemic, it's been like 2.5, almost 3 years now, I have to get stuff for me, and then I get them. So now, you know, I'm doing gift baskets. And I'm doing gift baskets pretty much for the same people that were my clients as a caterer and as a cleaner. So, you know, you still, you know, you do something else, you can still keep the same clientele. I still have pretty much the same clientele. Okay, so one thing, and I like, you know, if you can't go in there and get the gingham bag, you know, at least they put the little gingham lining in there in the box. That's cute. I like that. Okay. All right, here's my second box. And this is how they come. They packed it well. I'll show you the box. I know most of you guys know what a Bath and Body Works box looks like. This is the box. And then you have your gingham lining. And they pack it well with, you know, packing paper, receipts on top. Okay, now they have their body care. Let's see, what did I pay for? You know, I paid $5, you know, up to these. Other years they've had their body care for like $4.95, but now they went up $1. But so I got this Endless Weekend. You know, I got that in the hand soap. I got it in the body spray. Got that. These are 8 ounces, full size. And let's see, the fragrance notes are summer mandarin, blue coconut, water, vanilla, sandalwood. It does have some hyaluronic, that acid, and shea butter, 24-hour moisture. So I got that in the body cream. Beautiful. $5.95. That's when they have the $5.95 sale. That's the only time I get these. I get my clients the high-end stuff, the quality stuff that they expect, but you know, when it's on at a reasonable price, because these are normally like $16. They're good. They keep a lot of fragrance when you use it on your hands or something. The fragrance lasts, and they're pretty emollient, and a 24-hour moisture. They're good. It's good. But you know, I don't think there's only Neutrogena is the only thing I would pay like $18, $9. I pay full price for Neutrogena for myself. Okay, so that, and then the body spray, it's fine fragrance mist, 8 ounces. I like mist better. You know, we live in the South, and then the summer, you take your shower, have a light lotion on, you know, have a nice mist and go out for dinner or lunch or something. So I like this. The same notes are on this. The same fragrance notes are summer mandarin, blue coconut, water vanilla, and sandalwood. Okay, pretty packaging. These will go good, and I'll show you guys how I put them in the boxes in the my gift baskets. Okay, now we got white citrus. Same thing. 8 ounces. It was $5.95. Original price was like $15.50 or $16.50. The notes are lemon zest, sparkling grapefruit, ginger, flower, freesia, petals, and clean woods with shea butter, and it's a 24-hour moisture. Got that. Now, if you're going, my fellow gift basket designers, if you're going to specialize or offer like basically all self-care luxury baskets, you know, full sizes are the best, and you know, the most respected and highest quality, you know, vendors or suppliers, you know, are the best. You know, it's best to do it that way. You know, a lot of these places, you know, you get stuff, the 4 ounces, they're cute, like if you're doing it for teenagers, but for grown women, like for Mother's Day, you know, need to come, because, you know, I charge, you know, they pay a good amount for these gift baskets. Okay, then I got the white citrus, fine body mist. So these will go together. Then fresh lilac, this is a hit. And then I get the newest fragrances each year. I'll get the newest fragrance. Okay, this is fresh cut lilacs. I have that in the room spray, and we got that in the body cream. These are pretty. Maybe smells amazing. I had some on earlier. Okay, and then here's my other bottle, my other kitchen lemon. So I'll put that over there. Okay, and then this is a new scent. This is Honolulu Sun. Oh no, not this one. Got it in the body cream and the mist. 8 ounces. The notes are fresh island coconut, Pacific palm, and driftwood. Okay, see how those look together? Good. And then the last one I have for this haul, we've got Mad About You. And this is the shower gel and the lotion made with vitamin E. It's a signature collection. And I can't see the notes here. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is what's going on. Revving up for Mother's Day. Like I say, you do things in stages. I already got my bows made. I already picked out the baskets. And I already have, you know, the shred, have all that stuff ready. So it's just ready for me to put in my products, arrange them neatly, take the photos, and it's on and popping. It's not even Easter yet. But, you know, and I make sure I get the newest items. You know, I don't want anything old. Because you can get, if you get some bad, because sometimes, if you go to the outlets, sometimes these outlets have some old stuff. And these lotions can curdle. And so just make sure, you know, you get the freshest stuff you can get at a good price when they have their sales, like, because they had their sales this weekend, okay? So guys, thank you so much. Thanks for taking time with me today to review my Bath and Body Works haul. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of tired. All right, guys. Thanks so much. And if you like content like this, please put down in the comments that you like, you know, my gift basket information, fragrance hauls, or, you know, body care, self-care type of hauls. If you like stuff like that, you know, put, you know, you like these types of things. And if you like this video, hit like and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content, and subscribe. If you like my vibe, go on and subscribe, okay? All right, guys, thank you. See you in my next video. I know I said that about 20 times. Okay, guys, bye. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye, Mom.